Here we go. It's the beauty. So my GONG Cruzader was in delivery for tomorrow, but I couldn't wait. So I tracked down the logistic company, I got my knife, and I got my GONG Cruzader. And GONG wrote me an email saying I have to check it first. They give you 15 minutes of time, and if you have any damage, you have to report it on site. So that's what I'm gonna do. Here we go. You can see the Cruzader, and this is how it's packed. There's been a little bit of an impact here, but the structure is still in place. So you can see this. It's really nicely packed. Maybe some impact here. That's a package. Let's open this first. So there's a manual. There's some screws and some really nice straps. V-straps for the front and a strap for the back. So both the nose and the tail were stuck into these, which is really nice. And I really like the packaging here. So there's two of these flex hex systems going together, and now the moment of truth. Woo! Here we go. What a beauty. Nice. Yes. I'm speechless. Packaging is great. Probably one of the best packaging I've ever seen. The what's it called? Hexa light system wrapped around the board is just perfect. And like I said before, GONG told me to check the board on arrival. I did, and it's in almost perfect condition. So there's a tiny scratch on the back, but I'm not gonna complain about that. It's fantastic. I'm so happy. Can't wait to get on the water. So next time you see me, I'll be paddling on a GONG Cruzader 6.3. Okay, short break. I stopped to pick up my wife and I looked at the footage, some of it, and there's a fucking rabbit running behind me. Can't believe it. I just saw it and I didn't notice it at all. And I just saw it in the footage, and it's great. And I call it Flexi Light, and it's not called Flexi Light, whatever. It's called Flexi Hex. So if you want to use it, it's called Flexi-Hex.